All right, what's happening, everybody? Happy New Year. So you requested information on my post. How am I grabbing this free Bitcoin? I'm going to show you something, guys. This is a program called Swift Demand where they're giving away free coin, right? And so what I do is I have a platform that's set up. It costs 125 to jump on, and you can use that platform to trade your Swift Demand coin as you bring people in. It's a referral program, but it's helping to build and earn really good Bitcoin, guys. This thing is crazy. So if you look right, I'm just going to do this really quick. I ought to be off here in about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just showing you, since you asked for information, how I'm doing it. So you get your account, your Swift Demand account. When you first join, they give you 100 free coins. Then after that, you get 100 free coins every 12 to 24 hours. Then you get 500 coins every time somebody joins. Okay, so that means every time you get a new referral to come in and take possession of these free ones, you get 500 coins. So what I've been doing is this. I set up a trading platform because you can actually sell these coins. A lot of people do not know that. They do not know that you can sell these coins. And I'm going to take you in and show you how it's done. For those of you that's already inside of Swift Demand, you really need to pay this attention, guys. I'm gonna go to my fact sheet and I'm going to show you something that's really, really cool. A lot of people, they get involved in stuff and they don't read. You got to read. You got to go deep into this stuff and read it so you'll understand. So now when you go down here, let's see, where is it at? Uh, give me 1 second to find this for you. Okay. Okay, right here. So if you look at this right here, it says, are SWIFT tied to real world currency? Now, if you read this, it tells you no SWIFT are not tied to real world currency in any way and do not represent a specific amount of currency or value of any form. SWIFT, now this is the most important part. Read this right here. SWIFT are only worth as much as someone else is willing to pay for them. Wow. So that means that I can say, okay, then if you want to give me $1 for my Swift, you can give me $1 for my Swift without any penalty or anything like that. A lot of people in Swift Demand do not even know that. They have not even came back here and read this. That's why they say, well, Swift Demand is free. Well, no, Swift Demand is worth whatever you put on top of it, guys. Did you know that? Oh my God. I hope that this little video here teach you guys a little something about Swift Demand. So for me, I have my Swift set at $1. So what happens is when somebody comes in and they join my platform for $100, I'm going to send them $100 in Swift. Now they have a platform that they can do the same thing off of. So what if I give away 10 free accounts? Well, 10 free accounts, that's $500 per account. That's how I've been able to accumulate this high number of coin, because I've been giving away free accounts. Plus, I've been coming in here every day. Watch me claim a free 500. Now, after I claim this $500, there's going to be another $100 available to me in 4 hours and 4 hours, 14 minutes, 24 seconds. Do you see that? So I'm getting all of this free coin, right, from referrals. If you look right here, you'll see where I'm getting $500 referral bonus, 500 referral bonus, claiming another referral bonus. You see where I'm getting all the referral bonus coin for free, but turning around, moving that free coin for $1 based upon the rule that is set in the back of Swift Demand. You guys gotta read, man. If you read, you could be doing this too. I'm over 30 some $1,000s in Bitcoin from free coins. Now watch me claim 500 real time. You see the clock ticking? I'm gonna get another 100 in 413, right? But right here, watch my balance jump. Right here, watch this. Claim. Bam, now I'm at 85,152 with another 100 coming in 4 hours. Guys, I'm making all of this Bitcoin with free coin. All I did was spend 125 to get the platform, right? I paid 25 to set up the platform, a $100 qualifying trade with my sponsor. I sent my sponsor 100 in Bitcoin. They sent me one more $100 of Swift Demand because it's a trade. They traded their Swift Demand with me for Bitcoin. We can do that 100% legally because they're cryptocurrencies, they're decentralized, deregulated. We can trade any coin for any coin. And I showed you in the background where it says that we can trade this coin for whatever someone is willing to pay for it 100% legally. Me, I charge $1. Guys, that's the smoothest thing that I've ever saw. So if you want to get over here with me, come on in. 125. Your qualifying trade is 100. Your website is 25 bucks. You can start making money today and accumulating Bitcoin for free. Remember this. $500 every time somebody joins. 500 of these coins that you could charge $1 for on the platform with members. Guys, this is amazing. So get with me. If you look right here, you see all of these payments. I wanted my little video to be at least 6 minutes, so I'm showing you guys. Look at the claims. Look at the claims. Look at the referral bonuses. Look at all of this, guys. Look at these numbers. I could go on and on. I could go on and on. Do you see this? Because I'm working a system, guys, that work while everybody else is running around trying to spend money on Bitcoin. I'm not spending anything, and my members are getting it for free. Look at that. I could go on and on. Look at that, guys. Yeah. And I'm turning it into Bitcoin by inviting other people to come do the same, like I'm inviting you. So thanks for requesting info on my post. Get with me. Let me show you how it is that I'm doing this. And I look forward to working with you at CryptoNet Global. You guys have a great day. Take care.